Hey guys, it's Lawrence from Laws of Physio, and in this video we're going to talk about corticosteroid injections. So first of all, what is a corticosteroid? So cortisol is a natural hormone that your body produces during stress, and it's known as a stress hormone. What cortisol is, it's a synthetic version of that. The reason it is injected into specific body parts is it can be used to suppress your immune response, which means it's a very powerful anti-inflammatory. So it is recommended for people with very severe injuries. It used to be given out like water to everyone, injected into any kind of pain, but now we know there can be some long-term effects if you do use a corticosteroid. Mostly if the injury you have is a result from inflammation, it will give you some benefits. So for example, if you have a disc bulge, which is causing irritation to the nerve, leading to sciatica and nerve-based symptoms, you will get some benefit. If you're getting some severe arthritis and that's limiting your ability to do exercises, corticosteroids would be very helpful to decrease the symptoms in order for you to actually complete your exercises. For the shoulder, for example, if you're getting irritation through the bursa and that's preventing you from doing your exercises and your rehab, this corticosteroid injection would be helpful to decrease the symptoms in order for you to complete your rehab exercises. There are some pathologies that we wouldn't recommend corticosteroid injections for. One would be a tendon issue. There are some studies that show that corticosteroids can weaken tendon structure and tendon strength, and it can lead to tendon ruptures later down the track, so your actual tendon will snap. Just be wary, if you do have a tendon issue, you're better off doing exercises first, but worst case scenario, your specialist or your doctor may recommend other different treatments. Otherwise, if you feel and you believe that a corticosteroid injection will fix your problem, you're probably better off not going for the injection, because it's not going to match up with what you believe. We usually use corticosteroid injections to reduce symptoms in order for you to do your rehab exercises, in order to strengthen specific body parts, to allow blood flow, and to actually desensitize certain body parts. That's mostly through the exercise and the rehab exercises we do together.